Hey, my YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Next Small Bet. Today, we're going to talk about SoundHound AI. So, how did SoundHound AI get investors' attention at the first place? There are probably two reasons. The first one is the AI boom. We're definitely in AI revolution area now, and a lot of the AI companies, especially those chip makers like Nvidia, ARM, AMD, and Qualcomm, they're becoming like the superstar of the stock market. And also those big tech companies, AI-related big tech companies like Microsoft, they've been rallying a lot over the past period of time. Well, for some investors, if we're like missed the big rally from the chip makers, the big tech AI companies, we're looking for some alternatives, especially those like small cap AI companies that has a lot of potential as far as their stock price goes, are naturally getting more and more attentions. So how to find those like small cap AI companies? I guess one simple way is to find if the company's name has AI in it, and these like tricky little companies are pretty damn good about like adding AI in their company names, like SoundHound AI, and some of them are even making AI in their tickers, and some company just use AI as their ticker. It's pretty damn smart. So that's why one of the reason why SoundHound AI comes to investors' attention. Like the second one is that it is about a recent investment discovery. So earlier this year, investors learned about Nvidia's stake in SoundHound AI following a 13F filing by the chipmaker Nvidia. And this disclosure caused SoundHound AI stock to surge. And at one point, it surged over 200, and that gets really a lot of interest from investors and traders. So there are a few questions we're going to need to answer in this video. And the first one is, how much did Nvidia invested in SoundHound? Because that'll be a very like strong signal about how much confident Nvidia is invested in SoundHound. And after all, we're kind of like trusting the superstar, the AI area superstar Nvidia's judgment on their like investment. So Nvidia actually has made a relatively small investment in SoundHound AI. It just spent nearly like 3.7 million to acquire a 0.6% stake in the company SoundHound AI. 3.7 million to Nvidia is nothing. It's nothing at all. So even it signifies that Nvidia has the interest in this like sound AI company or voice recognition software company. It's not like really betting big on it. It's just like a small bet, just like our channel's name, the next small bet. But still, it's Nvidia's investment. It counts in many investors' hearts, including myself. And so next question is, why did Nvidia invested in SoundHound? Nvidia, as known for its work with companies like Stellantis, Hyundai, Kia, and Honda, so basically very popular automobile names, and it offers a voice assistant running on Nvidia's Drive platform for automobile customers. So we know Nvidia, they're like also producing computation units for these automobile companies for their like computing platform, as well as their like some of them there's alternative driving system. So I guess one very possible reason is that Nvidia is just investing in those like downstream software companies and the partners working with it a like small portion of fund to like show their supportness of using their platform, something like that. That's the very possible reason. So now we know how much Nvidia has invested in SoundHound and why possibly did Nvidia invest in SoundHound. Next, let's have a quick recap on the business and the best business model of SoundHound to see what it actually does. Okay, so this is SoundHound AI's official website. And in the website, we know that SoundHound AI provides a series of products, and their main focus is like text to speech and voice recognition. So basically, voice and speech related features or productions. The main business for SoundHound is actually its solutions. It has touched the fields of like automobile, like smart devices in restaurants and hospitality. So it looks like SoundHound is providing solutions, especially like voice related or voice command, text to speech related solutions to its customers. Its customers isn't less of any like popular names, as we just mentioned, those big automobile companies, Stellantis, Hyundai, Qualcomm, Kia, Hyundai, and also like big chain restaurants. And SoundHound AI also once provides some like to customers applications like the music recognition app and some chat AI app, even though those never really been popular and gain a lot of active users. SoundHound AI stock price has been really volatile over the past 3 months. Even now, it's significantly down from its recent high of like almost $9. It's still increased a lot. Let's also take a quick look at SoundHound AI's financials. So over the past 4 years, the 4 years data, we do see the total revenue of SoundHound AI has been like stably increased year over year to 45 million last year. 45 million total revenue is still not very big number compared to its current market value as over like $1 billion. And so far, SoundHound AI is still not profitable. It's still in the negative net income territory. We do see some improvement last year compared with the year before last year, but it was still like didn't show a clear path of turning into profitable. There is still no signal or no sign that SoundHound is able to do that this year. So that's a big question mark to SoundHound AI. I think because of the hype of Nvidia holding SoundHound AI stake, the valuation now is very high. But it's still a small cap company in this like AI software industry or this field. It's over $1 billion, but it's not like 10 billion or even more. It could be very volatile in both ways. It still has the potential to like double in a very short time, but it could be very possibly to drop a lot the stock price in a very short time as well. The good side is the AI hype is still there, and it is still the area of AI in the stock market. And news like Nvidia is like holding some of the shares of this company may make this stock take off again. And also another factor is that the 2024 Q1 financials are coming out next month. And if the Q1 financial has been significantly improved in the last quarter compared with previous quarters or the same quarter last year, the stock price could probably improve a lot as well. And otherwise, if there's still no significant improvement or there's still no clear sign that it could be profitable in the foreseeable future, the price might be go down very quickly. SoundHound AI's business seems competitive. It works with those automobile companies. It works with those chain restaurants. It's not as bad as described in those short reports recently sent out to really like bring the stocks down after it surged 200 or 300%. But the company has been out there for a few years. There's still no clear path to profitability again. Finally, I'm going to show my small bet score to SoundHound AI. So SoundHound AI, the ticker Sound, I'll give it a rate of, if I may, I'll give it a rate of hold. And the volatile score from 0 to 5 is 4. And the max portfolio percentage I can take or I want to take is 5%. And the price expectation of the stock in the next 12 months is $4 to $10. And willingness to trade from 0 to 5 for me is 1. I'm really reluctant to like trade this stock, even though there seems to be a lot of like potential if there's any good news happen to this company or to the stock. So yeah, that is my small bet score to this company. All right, that's all I want to share in this video about SoundHound AI. If you like this kind of content, please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.